I think we can all agree that student loans are very predatory, but the worst part of all is there's very little transparency around the repayment process. This drove me crazy, and I couldn't find any calculators that calculated loans for daily interest. So I made one myself, and I wanted to pass it on for you as well in case it's useful to you. I'll have this for free on my shop, and the full tutorial if you want to build it will be on YouTube. Using the calculator is very simple. All you have to do is fill out the dark orange cells with your loan details. So let's say your rate is 10.75%, and your monthly payment is $209. Your current loan balance is $22,000, and your due date is on the 10th of every month. The start date is when you want the calculator to start tracking. And once everything's populated, you'll see all the details calculate. You can see both the months quicker and years quicker calculations are in red, and that's because the new payoff date is further out than the original payoff date that's listed. But that's just because we haven't updated it yet, so all we do is click on the new payoff date, right-click on the original payoff date, paste special, values only, and then it will say 0 and no longer be red. And we'll do the same thing with the new interest payment. We'll paste over the original interest payment, so now we're all set up for this current loan, and everything should be 0. Now if you scroll down, you can see all the different daily calculations and things like that for each individual day. In reality, we don't really need to see that unless you're just curious. And the little snapshot up top shows you all the information that you really need. Over to the right, you'll see the payment amounts, and this will default to the minimum payment that you have listed. Now, one thing to note, if your payment is too low, so for example, if I change this to 100, you'll see that the new payoff date turns red. That's because I have this as a maximum of 40 years. So if you see that as red, that means that your current payoff will not happen within 40 years. So you'll need to make some adjustments. Now you can play with your payment amounts by simply changing them. For example, if I pay $250 instead of $209, I'll pay off the loan 145 months quicker, and I'll save about $23,000 in interest. And if I don't have any spare money right now, but I think I will in the future, I can go to whatever date I think I'll have that money, and I can change the date there. So for example, if I think on January of 2026, I'll have an extra $100 a month I can put towards it, I can change it to $350. Everything behind it will change to $350. And based on this projection, I'll pay this off about 18 years quicker than I originally thought, and I'll save about $32,000 in interest in the meantime. If I pay before the 10th of the month, I can double click on the due date and select the day that I actually pay. And this will adjust the daily interest that's being charged, and your calculations will update accordingly. Any payment amount that's in orange is a fixed value and not a formula, so keep that in mind. So that's how to use the calculator, and now you can play around with different scenarios going forward, and you can save a lot of interest and pay it off quickly. Like and follow for more.